Okay, up and about, little hamburger feeder. So, it's day 2 of what's on Rob's table, and looks a lot like day 1. Things have changed a little bit. Tools are still out from yesterday. Lots of effort on the Toyota truck. So, shop toolboxes. Drawers are all out and open. Well, some of them anyway. Used to get in trouble for leaving drawers open. So anyhow, turn some lights on over here. Oh, there it is. Oh, already on. Okay, let's see if I can get this on underneath here. I'm going to try to do a tilt lock here and see what happens. See if that changes anything. Anyhow, so you can see here, that is the exhaust on the truck. Or off the truck. I went through many fiber wheels trying to get this thing organized. Organized? Trying to get them off. I don't like that. The camera likes to film straight. Anyhow. That's anyhows. Okay. So over here, switch this back up again. That might do it. FPV. So I got DJI Osmo Pocket. And FPV looks like it'll point where I'm looking to. Yeah. I'll try this one more time. So here's passenger side. I have to get the bolts off still. But you can see I went through a whole bunch of cutoff wheels. And driver's side is pretty much the same. Hard to film this. So if you're tackling this project, it's going to be an adventure if you're doing on a lot of rust. So here's the last of the exhaust manifold, cut up into little pieces, tools. And the other thing I'm working on is transmission lines, power steering lines. Gotta do transmission lines also. The rust underneath this thing is pretty bad, but it looks like the return line right here where there used to be a piece of rubber is leaking around where the rubber thing rested at. So it's trans lines, power steering lines, exhaust, and a heater core that this truck needs. What an adventure. You can wish me luck. Alright, that's it.